Hello everyone, it's Ryan. Today, I'm going to be doing a brand new reaction video. Today, I'm reacting to Dan the My Little Pony and Sophie the First Fan. So yeah, I'm going to be reacting so that everyone know. For those that don't like Dan so all just don't watch this reaction video. So in the video I'm going to react to is called Taste Test number 333 Cheetos Puffs Cheese Pizza. So yeah, I'm gonna react to it. So now let's get the video right out.
Hello there, everyone. It is me, Dan, the My Little Pony and Sophia the First Fan, and welcome back to another taste test review. So, our taste test review for today is going to be the brand new Cheetos Puffs Cheese Pizza. Now, I was basically recommended it from Chris Frezza and his son Vito. So, Chris Frezza and his son Vito recommended the Cheetos Puffs Cheese Pizza to me.
I think I still yet to still.
And I can tell that this is basically an 8 per serving. And basically 150 calories for this one. So, my question is, what does the Cheetos Puffs Cheese Pizza would look like? Well, only one way to find out. Behold! This is what the Cheetos Puffs Cheese Pizza actually looks like, everyone. Take a look. Yep, this is basically what the Cheetos Puffs Cheese Pizza looks like.
Oh, yeah.
So, let's see how this one tastes. Here we go. Let's peep out this flavored. Right. Here we go. Boy, now to my taste, that does taste like actual cheese pizza, but a little bit differently. If you guys have never tried the Cheetos Puffs cheese pizza,
I still get to find that stuff.
I recommend you should go to any local stores near you, so that way you can find one of those like that.
Yeah, it's a rare chance to find those stuff.
So let's go for another taste. Here we go.
No, like I said, if I be able to find out, still do my stick, girl. That's like it's a rare chance for me to find those stuff. I was able to find those Doritos going in Sriracha. Well, hopefully still to find the cheese pizza puffs. Ridiculous, I couldn't find them still.
That tastes really good. I say we give the Cheetos Puffs Cheese Pizza a 14.5 out of 10 stars. Thank you so much for enjoying today's taste test review, everyone. Like this video, leave a comment below, subscribe, and hit the bell icons for notifications. I'll see you later. Bye.
I do apologize again. Ad.
Hello, America.
That's not even monetized.
For the big game.
So yeah, that's kind of weird. That like that's not even monetized. YouTube, if you're watching this, someone's not monetized. Do not put ads. Do not put ads on them. They're not even monetized. So yeah. So yeah, that's the end of this reaction video. And I hope you guys like this reaction video. I hope you guys like it. And I hope you guys do like. If you don't, then I don't care. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn those notification bells on every time I upload. And certain reveals, reaction videos, and reviews, and others to bring to my channel to your friends and videos if you want choice. Because I am making it. So yeah. And don't forget to go down to My Little Pony and Sophie's your first fan if you're new. Subscribe to this channel. I mean, subscribe. If you ever yet. You know, the main channel here, we're 2K subscribers. And the backup channel, 2.0. The gaming channel, Starting Gaming, 12 in the road to 100 subscribers. And so yeah. And that's the end of this reaction video. And I'll see you all more banger rituals, more banger content. So I'll see you next time. Super signing out. Peace out, onions. Peace out, everyone.